In this video, we are going to solve questions of exercise 3.2 of indefinite integral. Question number 1. So from 7th question we will do. Before to this we did in previous video. So let us start with question number 7. Here these are the questions of method of substitution. So what to substitute? इसमें substitute क्या करना है वो आपको देखना है. So that depends on, यहाँ पे एक है इंटीग्रेंड में एक फंक्शन है और उसका डेरिवेटिव है. So we make observation sin log of sin. So log of sin derivative will be what? 1 upon sin and into derivative of sin is cos. तो 1 upon tan में आएगा. So therefore we substitute the whole log of sin e raised to power x is equal to t. Log fx फॉर्म में है. So put t is equal to log of sin of e raised to power x. log of sin of e raised to power x. फिर इसका डेरिवेटिव log fx का डेरिवेटिव है 1 upon fx into f dash of x, मतलब 1 upon sin x into डेरिवेटिव ऑफ sin x which is cos x. अगेन उसमें चेन रूल ऑफ डेरिवेटिव यूज करना आपको, क्योंकि sin of e raised to power x है, so it will be cos of e raised to power x और अगेन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ e raised to power x. So the whole numerator we are getting, numerator and this. So dt by dx, differentiating dt by dx is equal to 1 upon fx. 1 upon fx means 1 upon sin e raised to power x into derivative of sin which is cos of e raised to power x. वापस derivative of e raised to power x. e raised to power x derivative is e raised to power x, which is e raised to power x. So we can write it as sin of e raised to power x upon cos of e raised to power x, or we write it cos of e raised to power x. So cos upon sin, that we will write cot e raised to power x into cot of e raised to power x. We can simplify 1 upon tan, nothing but cot of e raised to power x and this e raised to power x. So simplify this, which is integral of, so this dt by dx is this, so therefore dt is equal to e raised to power x into cot of e raised to power x dx. Here integral I is equal to, therefore integral I is equal to log of sin of e raised to power x, which is t e raised to power x, or we write it log of sin of e raised to power x into e raised to power x, and 1 upon tan will write what? Cot, that is cot of e raised to power x dx. Now this is equal to e raised to power x cot of e raised to power x dx, which is equal to dt. So it is, and log of sin e raised to power x is t, so it is t and this is what dt. So very simple, now it is t square by 2 plus c. So it is t square by 2 plus c, which is 1 upon 2 t square. So our t is this log of sin of e raised to power x and whole square upon 2 plus c. Then we evaluate this. Question number 10. Our question number 10 is dx upon 4x plus 5x raised to power minus 11. So this x raised to power minus 11 is 1 upon x raised to power 11. Simplified dx upon 4x plus 5 upon x raised to power 11. वापस सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो x raised to power 11 will goes in numerator. This is x raised to power 11 will go in numerator. 4 x into x raised to power 11 x raised to power 12 और ये प्लस 5 डेरिवेटिव ऑफ x रेज टू पावर 12 इज x रेज टू पावर 11 में आएगा, 12 इंटू x रेज टू पावर 11 विच विल बी, so therefore we substitute the whole denominator, we substitute as t, या तो खाली इतना x to the power 12 we substitute as t. So it is up to us, the answer will be same, दोनों जगह आंसर सेम ही रहेगा. So we make substitution, t is equal to, put t is equal to x to the power 12, therefore dt by dx is equal to 12 x to the power 11 and dt upon 12 is equal to x to the power 11 into dx, that is dt upon 12. So our integral I is equal to x to the power 11 into dx is dt upon 12. So it is dt upon 12 for x to the power 12, it is t, for t plus 5. 1 by 12 is constant, we will write it outside the integration. 1 by 12 1 by 12 integration dt upon 4t plus 5. Remember this formula, ये फॉर्मूला आपको याद रखना है, dx upon ax plus b is equal to 1 upon a which is coefficient of x log of ax plus b plus c. अगर ये फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे, so a will be equal to 4 which will be 1 upon 12 into 1 upon 4 log of 4t plus 5 plus c. This is 48, 1 upon 48 log of t is equal to x to the power 4 x to the power 12, t is x to the power 12 plus 5 plus c, that will be our last answer. So substitution we will make here, x to the power 12 is equal to t, or the whole denominator we can make substitution as t. Question number 12. In question number 12, e raised to power 3 log x to the power 4 plus 1 raised to power minus 1. How we simplify this? E raised to power 3 log x. So this we simplify first. E raised to power 3 log x. This is we simplify first. E raised to power log of 3 log x will log x cube, and e raised to power log y, that is equal to y. Here base is e, so here base is e, so therefore e raised to power log of this, that will be equal to x cube. We are using this rule, that is a raised to power log of b to the base a, it is equal to b. This rule we use. So base is e over here, so therefore only x cube. That means the whole term, in place of whole term we write x cube. ये पूरे term के बदले x cube लिख सकते हैं आप. And x to the power 4 plus 1 raised to power minus 1 will go in denominator, so that the integral will be, this term is x cube dx, and this whole will go in the denominator, x to the power 4 plus 1. Clearly derivative of x to the power 4, it is 4x cube. So we put t is equal to, very simple it is, t is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1, या तो x to the power 4 we will put t, dt by dx is equal to 4x cube, and dt upon 4 is x cube dx, so that this x cube dx is dt upon 4, it is dt upon 4 upon t. X to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to t. 1 by 4 is constant, integral dt upon t, which is 1 by 4 log of t plus c, which is 1 by 4 log of t. What is our t? X to the power 4 plus 1 plus c. This will be our answer. Next question. Here x to the power 4, that is 4x cube divided by 4 x cube dx. So x cube dx is dt upon 4. ये t, so 1 by 4 constant we write outside, dt upon t, log of t it will be, and t is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1. So resubstitute. Now next question, इसको हम expand करेंगे, न्यूमरेटर को expand करेंगे. तो न्यूमरेटर को expand करने पर आपको मिलता है x square minus 2x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 whole square denominator dx. Here x square plus 1, ये दो टर्म आपको एक साथ लाना है. This will be integral x square plus 1 or minus 2x upon x square plus 1 whole square dx. फिर हम सेपरेट करते हैं. So this upon denominator and 2x upon the denominator. So if we simplify it, we will be getting simplifying this, it is x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 whole square dx minus 2 integral x upon, this 2 will write inside only, x square plus 1 whole square dx. Then x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 whole square, ये एक कैंसिल होगा और डिनोमिनेटर में खाली x square plus 1 रहेगा. So this integral I will be equal to, फर्स्ट इंटीग्रल क्या होगा आपका, 1 upon x square plus 1 dx minus integral 2x dx upon x square plus 1 whole square. Now we have formula, derivative of tan inverse x. Derivative of tan inverse x is, see a derivative of tan inverse x, it is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Therefore integral of 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse of x. We are using this formula here so that I is equal to dx upon x square plus 1 is tan inverse of x, tan inverse of x minus, we substitute x square plus 1 is equal to t, x square plus 1 is equal to t, therefore dt by dx is equal to 2x, इसका डेरिवेटिव 2x, इसका डेरिवेटिव 0. We require 2x dx, so dt will be equal to 2x dx. So that न्यूमरेटर में आप लिखेंगे dt and डिनोमिनेटर में t square minus integral dt upon t square, which will be tan inverse of x minus integral t raised to power minus 2 dt, which is integral of tan inverse t raised to power n. So t raised to power n will be n plus 1 upon n plus 1, so which is tan inverse of x minus t raised to power n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 will give us minus 1. यहाँ पे minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus c, this will plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by t plus c, but t is equal to what here, t is equal to x square plus 1, so that this will be tan inverse of x plus 1 by t. 1 by t means what, 1 upon x square plus 1 plus c. This completes the answer. tan inverse of x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 plus c. Question number 15. 2 sin x cos x upon 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x. Look at this sin square and cos square x. We know derivative of sin square x क्या है, 2 sin x into derivative of sin x is cos x, और derivative of cos square x is 2 cos x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So therefore it is, दोनों derivative में आपको 2 sin x cos x we are getting. So therefore the whole denominator we substitute as t. So we put t is equal to 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x. Therefore dt by dx, differentiating it with respect to x. 3 derivative of cos square x minus 2 cos n sin x, minus 2 cos x into sin x plus 4 into derivative of sin square x, which is 2 sin x cos x, which is 2 sin x cos x. This 2 sin x cos x we can take common. Then 2 sin x cos x 4 and here it is minus 3. 2 sin x cos x common. Here it is 4 and what is left here, minus 3, that is 1. So finally you are getting 2 sin x cos x only. Dt is equal to this into dx. Therefore our integral I will be equal to, integral I is equal to 2 sin x cos x dx, that is equal to dt. dt, and this whole term 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x, that is equal to t. dt upon t, which is log of t. Formula is this, dx upon x log of x, log of t plus c, and our t is equal to log of, see what is t? T is equal to 3 cos square x plus 4 sin square x, 4 sin square x plus c will be answer. Resubstitute t. We will do 17th question. Here we know derivative of a raised to power x is a raised to power x into log a. So look at this, you observe numerator or denominator. Derivative of x raised to power 10 will be 10 x raised to power 9. Or derivative of 10 raised to power x will be 10 raised to power x into log of 10. That is a raised to power x into log of a. आपका a है 10. So we substitute here t is equal to denominator. The whole denominator we substitute t. Put t is equal to 10 raised to power x plus x raised to power 10. Therefore dt by dx is equal to 10 raised to power x, that is a raised to power x. So a raised to power x derivative is a raised to power x into log of a, मतलब 10 raised to power x into log 10 plus x raised to power n, that is derivative is 10 x raised to power 9 n minus 1. So 10 x raised to power 9. The whole numerator we are getting here. That means dt will be equal to 10, rearrange the term, पहले ये लिखना है आपको, 10 into x raised to power 9 plus 10 raised to power x into log of 10, this whole into dx. So our integral I is equal to 10 raised to power 10 into x raised to power 9 plus 10 raised to power x log of 10 into dx, that is equal to dt upon this 10 raised to power x plus x raised to power 10 is t, and dt upon t is equal to log of t plus c, which is log of t. Resubstitute t. What is t? 10 raised to power x plus x raised to power 10 plus c. This will be the answer. So we resubstitute t here, that is 10 raised to power x, x raised to power 10 plus c. In the next video, we will complete remaining questions of exercise 3.2a. Thank you for watching.